Hi, I'm Franck Girardot, 3V Coaching. Welcome to the 10th episode of our series, 50 Good Reasons to Take a New Start. Live with passion, it is feeling well in your body. It is feeling at ease with your body. It is actually having a body that matches your desire to succeed in your life and to realize your full potential. And when we talk about the body, or when we mention the physical axis in the 3V method of coaching, it is this and nothing else but this which we refer to. So to enter with no delay into the heart of this important topic, the first question I want to ask you is this. Today, in your life, would you rather describe your body as a brake or rather as an engine? In other words, with its place in your life and through the role it plays for you, is your body rather a positive force or a negative force? Something that pushes you forward and helps you grow? Or is it instead something that is holding you back and preventing you from moving forward? So you probably have at least a partial answer to these questions, like a general impression of the impact, positive or negative or even neutral, that your body has in your life today. But it is also possible that starting to address these questions reveals like a state of confusion. The feeling of not really knowing where you're at. But it's okay, you will soon see much more clearly. By introducing the physical axis in our coaching method aimed at taking a new start, our first goal is to help you answer precisely these questions and have a complete and accurate picture of what place your body holds in your life today. To help you know precisely if your body acts as a brake or as an engine in your life, and to help you clearly identify the strengths that are already there and can support you and the more fragile aspects which you should instead work on and try to reinforce. You may have noticed that the word specifically is very often used here, and that is completely deliberate, because for the physical just as well as for the other aspects of your life, it is always too simplistic and too reductive to stop at a too global approach. Like, how is my body? Or is my body in general acting as an engine or as a brake in my life? We can see that these questions do not really help you to see clearly. And most importantly, by approaching it this way, you run the risk of falling into a very subjective evaluation, completely influenced by your state of mind at the moment and therefore not in line with objective reality, necessarily more complex, and that requires deeper and further study. So to allow you to easily reach this level of depth and accuracy, we have developed a self-assessment system, very simple to use but very comprehensive and thorough, covering all aspects of your physical axis. We structured it in around what we consider the two major functions of your body. The first one is perceiving and understanding the world around you. The second one is moving and interacting with the world around you. In fact, your body, beyond its complexity and beyond its internal operations, including swaths that still escape human knowledge and understanding, your body is just part of your life. And as such, it is here to serve you. Then, being used for what and serving you for what, that is the whole point. And in our approach, we start from the belief that your body is here to serve your evolution, to help you fully realize your human potential, to allow you to live mindfully and in full possession of all your means in order to create enriching experience that will nourish your learning, develop your understanding of the world and yourself, and thus help you to grow and progress as a human being. This is an ambitious program, and it is clear that to meet this formidable challenge, it is necessary to own and rely on a foolproof physical body. So I invite you to ask yourself this question. Today, in your life, how does your body serve you? Today in your life, through your senses, your nervous system, and your brain capacity, how does your body allow you to be fully aware of the richness and complexity of the world around you? Today in your life, through its motor skills, and more specifically, its ability to keep its balance, to crawl, to walk, run, jump, climb, lift, throw, swim, defend yourself, and manipulate objects with precision. How, through all its functions, does your body allow you to move and interact effectively with the world around you, creating valuable experiences for you to enjoy, learn, and grow from? Today in your life, does your body give you the energy, the vitality, and the strength you need to live each day fully and hold your place in this world? Getting out of the confusion about the physical axis of your life, coming up with 100% clear answers to all these questions, and regaining control of your body to have it serve you at 100% of its capacities, that is indeed a very good reason to take a new start. We now offer several coaching programs in which we go deeper on this topic, so I really encourage you to go and check it out. For an overview of our self-assessment system on the physical axis, go visit our website 3vcoaching.com. You will see it will help you get extremely clear on all these questions, so go and give it a try. It is really worth it. Well, for the next episode of this series, I will meet you on Wednesday. Until then, live well, work hard, have fun, and be good.